So here's what we know about a drone strike that occurred with a Canadair CL-415 Quebec 1 fighting the Palisades Fire off Los Angeles in California. Last Thursday about 1 p.m., the plane struck a drone, leaving a hole in the leading edge of its wing. We can tell that it was likely a drone because the hole is kind of drone-shaped. There's indents on either side of the hole, very similar to the outstretched arms that would hold the rotors of a commercial drone. The FAA and officials say they do have remains of the drone that they believe was involved in the incident. De Havilland Canada earlier on Facebook posted a photo of a wing component that was being sent down to repair the aircraft. So this is more than just simply a hole in the leading edge of the wing. There's actually some damage to the structure that requires a more extensive repair. If we look at a cutaway drawing of the aircraft and compare it to the photos of the damage, we can see this occurs on the right wing, just outboard of the lights. So looking at the rivet lines, we can see we have a full wing spar here, kind of numbered 133 on the diagram, and then there's that little one sort of in between it and the next full spar, and it looks like that's where the impact is, and that's the part that needs to be replaced, as well as the outside skin being patched. At the time of the incident, there were temporary flight restrictions in place prohibiting all aircraft below 7,000 feet. The news helicopters are operating above 7,000 feet and using zoom lenses, so that's why they're permitted, but basically all drone operations in the fire zone are illegal. This is true in Canada. The Aeronautics Act precludes drone use within 9 nautical miles of any active wildfire. This was incredibly stupid, and hopefully the drone operator is caught and prosecuted.